Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add apps to your home screen on Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to access your app drawer on your Google Pixel. This is where all your installed applications are stored and organized. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your home screen to open the app drawer, and you'll see all your apps displayed in a grid or list format. Once you're in the app drawer, take a moment to locate the specific app you want to add to your home screen. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the app you're looking for. This makes it easy to find exactly what you need, especially if you have many apps installed on your device. Now, here's where the action happens. Press and hold your finger on the app icon you want to move. You'll feel a slight vibration or see the icon lift slightly, indicating that you've activated the move mode. This allows you to reposition the app anywhere you'd like. While still holding the app icon, start dragging it towards the edge of your screen or simply hold it in place for a moment. As you do this, your home screen will automatically appear, replacing the app drawer view. This transition happens smoothly and gives you a clear view of where you can place your app. With your home screen now visible, continue dragging the app icon to your preferred location. You can place it anywhere on your home screen, whether that's in a specific corner, next to other frequently used apps, or in an empty spot. Once you've found the perfect position, simply release your finger from the screen. The app icon will snap into place on your home screen, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully added an app to your home screen on your Google Pixel, giving you quick access to your favorite applications without having to dig through your app drawer every time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.